Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to hide your TikTok following list. For that, you need to log into your TikTok account. Open your TikTok account, then go to your profile by clicking on profile. After there, you will see three dots in the right side on the top. Tap there. After tapping on three dots, you will see Setting and Privacy. Tap on Setting and Privacy. When you come to this page, you will see Privacy in the second number. Tap there. Then you need to scroll down. There you will find following list which will be showing everyone. After tapping there, you will see a notification like this will open. Then you need to select only me. After clicking on following list only me, now your following list is not going to be shown to anyone. It will be hidden. No one can view your following list. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.